Hi, welcome everyone. Look at this question. I want us to solve it. The first you should consider is what is this question? And we call it a composite shape. Why? Because we have two or more solid shapes put together. And the question said the diagram shows a fuel tank of cornmeal. The top part is a cylinder with a diameter of 32 and the height is 36 cm. The lower part is a cone of height 12 cm. Calculate the volume of the tank. So from this part to the top is a cylinder, and the cylinder has a diameter of 32. So we are also going to consider the down part, which is a cone with 12 cm. You may not consider the orientation. What I mean, the transformation, how this cylinder is positioned. I mean, how this whole shape is positioned shouldn't be your concern, because I can also turn it that way. However, the main thing here is for us to solve the volume and look at it is a GCE question. All right, let's start with our analysis. When you are asked to solve a volume, most of the times, the formula is the volume of the other shape plus the volume of the second shape. Now let's look at this. We know that the radius should be what? 32 divided by 2 is 16. If this radius is 16, this place is also going to be 16 cm. Now let's talk about this. We said that the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared times h. Then volume of a cone is going to be equal to 1 over 3 pi r squared h. There's a bit of confusion here because we have two h, The first h is 32 and the second h is 12, but they are not the same value. For that reason, I'm going to use subscript 1 here, and this one is subscript 2. So when I combine these two formulas together as a volume, I'm going to have that the total volume, Vt, is my total volume, is going to be equal to pi r squared h1 plus 1 over 3 pi r squared h2. If I do justice to this by factorizing the pi, the r, they are the same thing on both of these two equations. I'm going to have pi r squared bracket h1 plus h2 divided by 3. In this case, I am going to substitute the values here. The first one is 22 over 7 times the radius is 16 squared times the height is pi r squared, bracket open, h1 is 36, h2 is 12 cm. Now this 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. It's going to be 4. Now I have 22 over 7 times 16 squared is 256, bracket 36 plus 4 is going to be 40. So let me use my calculator to multiply 22 times 256 times 40 divided by 7. Let's find the answer immediately. 22 times 256 times 40 divide by 7, and the answer is 32182.86 cm cubed.